So we weathered the storm, which there wasn't much. It was just a lot of rain last night. River's up a lot, but not higher than I've seen it before. Come on, MJ. Saw a fawn, baby deer this morning. Come on, Hope. When I took Hope out to pee, it was down by the mailboxes and ran off that way. He's alone, so, or she. Hopefully she's okay. Come on, baby girl. So years ago, when I was up here visiting, or I was living here, I can't remember when, Dad and I took MJ for a walk up this lane. And a ways up there, like way up, probably half a mile from here, she suddenly ran up into the bush and she chased a deer, little baby deer, down across the road and then down to the river. And it was high, it was kind of like it is now. And I remember yelling at her and chasing them. They both ended up in the river. And the baby deer ended up on shore way back in Gary Trivett's field. And I got MJ away from the deer. And we eventually managed to, like, at least get it to head back the right direction. But we found it. I felt really bad. Hope thinks she sees something up here. I don't know if it's something alive or if it's just like some leaves or something. I think it's just leaves. She is like really wanting to go. Yeah, that's nothing. Come on, MJ, come on. River's up. Quite a bit. Not quite over the big rock, which I honestly thought it would be higher considering what kind of weather we're supposed to get. Very muddy. What you doing? Looking for intruders? She was just up here growling and growling. Look at these two. They get along more. It's been a crazy rainy day. Oops. What you doing? You're such a vicious beast. You are such a vicious little dog. Ow, careful, careful. That hurt. That hurt. You're such a beast.